Hey everyone, James Hannan here from Rise Social Media. Welcome. Today we're talking about connecting your Google Calendar with your Facebook page. So today is all about connecting your Google Calendar with your Facebook page, because when you're able to do this, it makes your life so much easier. Imagine being able to send a link to someone and they're able to book the time that works for them straight away. Or you being able to block out times in your calendar and not worry about what's available and what's not available. Because here's one of the things that I found is that running my businesses, sometimes it's really hard for me when someone says, hey, can I come and see you? And in my mind, I go, whoa, what's going on in my calendar right now? Whereas all I have to do is send a very simple link to someone. It connects all of my calendars together. They don't see my appointments. They won't see your appointments. They won't see, who you've got appointments with and what you're doing. All they will see is the calendar appointments you have available. And it's just a simple Facebook link. I love this. I really love how the simplicity of this. I use it every day, and I think you're going to as well. So today is all about connecting your Google Calendar with your Facebook page. So as you come on, would love to get a little bit of a shout out from your business that you run. Put a little bit of a shout out the town that you are in. What town are you in, and what business do you run? Put a little shout out there and put that in the comments section. So let me share my screen with you and be able to share with you. Okay, it's broadcast system, audio, solid. Okay, we'll just, you should be able to. Okay, so I'm showing the current application. So if we have a look at this here. Now, when we're looking here at, this is a page I set up many years ago. It's not an active page. So we're going to use this page as an example for how you can connect your Google Calendar to your Facebook page. And it's really, really simple to do. All you have to do is on your page, you'll come down here, you'll go to your normal, and you'll have your button here. We need to change this button. So we click if you haven't got a button there, you click Add Button. And we want to make a booking, and then click Book Now. Next, we go to Next. Very, very simple. And here, very simple, appointments on Facebook. How awesome is this? And we click Start Setup. Now, as we go through this, I'm going to take you step by step. Now, what you want to put here are the times that your business is open. And then what you do on your Google Calendar is you void the times, or you block out the times that you don't want to have available here on your link. It's very, very simple. So here you might say, well, I open at 9, I close at 5. Hi, Aaron, good to see you. How are you down there in Sydney? Hey, congratulations on all the success you're having with your business. I heard some incredible things. Absolutely fantastic. Well done. Hi, Hank, great to see you. Looking forward to seeing you in a few weeks down there in Horsham. Congratulations to you on the success that you're seeing. I'm so glad to be working with you and your team, and congratulations on everything you're doing, Hank. Fantastic. So let's look at this. So now we've got, what we put in here is that the times that you want to have available that people can see. Now, the times that you have here, the times that you, so right here you'll have 9 to 5 that you're available, 9 to 5. And so they're the ones you have. And then on your Google Calendar is what you block out. Now, you can also add here a time for Saturday. Let's say you want to go 9 till 12. You can simply add that in. If you want to come over here and add a different block, so what you do here is I go 9 to, say, if you don't want to put in the 11, and then I'll add another block here of, say, 1 to 6, for instance. There's just an example, and that will show the times that are available. Now, the great thing is, this is the amazing thing about this, is that if I So if I'm thinking you can sort of, if I use my phone and I put something in my calendar on my phone because it syncs. Hi Jennifer, good to see you. I hope you are having an awesome day. And yeah, well, where are you from, Jennifer? But anyway, it's good to see you here as well. I hope you're having an awesome day. So if I put on my Google Calendar on my phone a appointment, then just say it's at 1 o'clock, then the 1 o'clock area is no longer available. Now let's go through here. We click next and I'll show you what I mean in a moment. Now this is where you connect Google Calendar. This area down here, sync to Google Calendar. Now I always approve my appointments just in case I need to block something out. Oh, you're from Kansas. Wow, excellent. So you would be, so we're in spring, so that you've been fall or autumn over there now, just entered that, is that right, Jennifer? So right here is where I first of all, I make sure that all my appointments I approve in case I haven't blocked the time that I need to block. Plus also, sometimes, I may need a little bit of extra time to get between one appointment and another. Now down here, you can double book if you want to. I don't do that personally, but you may be in a business or an industry that allows for that or needs that. And then you can sync to your Google Calendar. This is what we're looking for. So we're going to hit this off button. Next, what happens, now I've written a full article on this. This will go live tomorrow, I would say. And in here, I can choose the calendar I want to sync to. So I'm going to sync it to my normal calendar here. So you're going to see some stuff. And then I just scroll down here, I click allow. By the way, I love this setting. I hope you do too. And then what happens is I just choose all of the calendars I have. Now, I don't worry about weather and holidays, but I put all of this stuff, don't worry about that one, okay, all of these I put on my calendar. Now, what this does is that anytime I book an appointment in any one of those calendars, it will take up a spot of availability. Okay, so, last day of holidays, nice. Or last one for the summer, Labor Day, beautiful. So now I get to list my services. Now again, if I book on my Google Calendar or any other of my calendars, it blocks out that time, so that's no longer shown as available. So all I have to do here is add a service. So the service you might want to put down, so one of mine is social media. I might want to put down interview, or I might want to put down a training and support, okay, as an example, because that's one of my things. I put a price. It could be free, it could be, let's say, $100, put a description there of what it is. It goes for half an hour, okay, and then I can add, let's say that I need to put time between this and my next appointment, then I make sure I add time. So I always add 15 minutes as a minimum. The reason for that is that gives me margin. I don't want to be going from one appointment to another appointment and not having that moment where I can take a breath. Also, adding an image here is very, it allows people to see what it has. Now you can add as many services as you like. But for me, for examples, we'll just do one. And we click on done. Now we've done the done. Now what we want to do here is it's going to now show me the calendar area or appointment area that I have in Facebook. Now, as you can see, it's got a whole heap of my appointments already here. Just move this stuff out of the way. It'll come up with add an appointment. So I can go here, add an appointment, select one of my services, and I can put it all in here. Now, if I want to send, now this is the magic. If I want to send my link to my calendar, all I have to do is copy booking link down here, this little link button. If I click on that, I now have the calendar that I can send to people. So how cool is this? So if I want someone to book an appointment with me, they click on that link, they will see my calendar, And there you go. And they can choose a service that they want to book in with me and a time that is available. Now, think about this for you. The time, so if I want to come here and they come here, this is the options. Okay, so if I want to get something today, 2:15, I put in phone number, appointment details. Now, what happens is they will also receive an update or a reminder. Oh, can you have an eagle on your face? How do I do that? Go up there. Thank you, Aaron. Okay, hopefully that's better. I just didn't want to be... Okay, so thanks, Aaron. So down here, you can see the appointments. Now, if I want to go ahead now and start to... so all I have to do now is send that off to somebody. If I want to see my appointments, I just come up here and I click on the appointments button and I can see my appointments, anything that gets booked in. I then go and approve it and everything's set. And now if I want to change my settings, I click on appointment settings down here. Okay, let me just see if I can get a few of these things out of the way. Okay, my appointment settings down here, you can test your booking tool, time zone is there, available appointments, all done. I've synced with my calendar, approval, so I've got a manual approval, double booking, advance, control how soon, how far in advance people can schedule an appointment. So we turn this on. See, for me personally, I don't want people to be able to book an appointment the same day. Okay, so I need that. I don't want surprises in my diary. I need to be able to plan ahead. So for me, it's one day in advance. I press save. That means if anyone wanted to book in with me, there'd be no times available today. They would need to book in for tomorrow. And this is how you do it. So again, and now this is powerful. Reminders. We have that turned on so that your client, prospect, whoever it is, that's the person that's got your appointment, they're going to receive a reminder in Facebook Messenger for their appointment with you. This is powerful. The more people, so this means that your prospects. Let's just turn off this share button now. Okay, this means that your prospects no longer will forget their appointment. It's because Facebook's going to remind them. So guys, I highly recommend you use this tool. Put it on your Facebook page. It does not go on a profile, but on your page. Now, this is one of the things we're going to be covering in our group. This coming Friday, we're doing a Q&A session in the Rise Social Media Facebook group. It's free to join. So if you haven't joined the Rise Social Media Facebook group yet, then go ahead and do that and invite all of your friends that are business owners or executives that are wanting to learn how to use Facebook marketing or Facebook to increase their results. It's a free group. We do monitor it very strictly, very strongly to ensure that there's nothing going on in there that we don't want to have happening in there. So your stuff is safe, you're safe. And it's all about training. It's all about supporting you and helping you to rise up. It's all about you getting to the next level. At Rise Social Media, we're all about helping you to remove the limiting beliefs that you have around social media and Facebook especially, and what you can do with it, give you clarity, help you to build customers and make more money. If that sounds like something you want to do, go ahead, ask to join the group. I think there is a link directly below this video which will allow you to join our group. Go ahead, do that now. And if you make sure you come to my risesocialmedia.com page if you haven't already, and there's an article there step by step on how to go through and do this. God bless. Have a lovely day. I hope you have an awesome one. And I will see you all soon, especially at the new events that we have coming up. The next one is in Horsham, then Newcastle, then Canberra, Bateman's Bay, I believe. It's going crazy. Speak to you all soon. Love you guys. Make sure you hit a love emoticon for us. Bye for now.